Hey everyone, Ryan here with Fluorescent. Are you a dropshipper, a merchant who sells handmade products with customizable options, or simply need to stretch beyond Shopify's 100 variant limit for products? Well, today's going to be a good day, as we're going to take a look at a super powerful but often overlooked feature from our Stiletto Themes product page. We feel that this is a perfect solution to bridge the gap for merchants looking to overcome those particular limitations before having to go in on a product options app. Let's jump right in. Allowing your customers to personalize products to fit their needs and preferences offers a one-of-a-kind and engaging shopping experience. And because they'll have a hand in designing the product, there's already a certain degree of tied-in satisfaction that comes with that. Nice! Our custom options block allows you to add text field inputs, multiple checkbox options, and radio buttons in order to customize your products even further. Customarily, these simpler forms of custom options would still require a product options app, but the fine folks at Fluorescent, yep, they've got you covered. It is important to mention, however, that this feature cannot do things like upload files, add custom pricing, or link to specific products. If you do need access to this advanced functionality, we do recommend taking a look at third-party apps. I'll drop a link to the App Store in the description. Alright, let's take a look at an example. As you can see here in Stiletto's chic demo shop, we have a beautiful gold necklace with some added options to make customizations. In this case, we're giving our customers the option to add a custom engraving, choose the length of their chain, and an option to select free gift wrapping. Let's take a quick look at how we've set this up. First, to add these blocks, simply click Add Block and then choose the Custom Options block. You can then drag it into the order that you want based on your design. Here we have 3 different blocks added. The first is for engraving, so if I open it up, you can see I've used the text field type. I've added the field label engraving and removed the special instructions text and added in the field placeholder text, which gives extra instructions for these options. The second custom option block is for customers to select their preferred chain length, so I'll choose the list field type. For this, you can choose between a drop-down list or radio buttons and just enter the options you want to provide in a comma-separated list. Finally, we have a third custom option block to allow customers to indicate whether this is a gift or not. For this option, we've also added in special instructions that indicate that checking this box will include a gift receipt and free gift wrapping. Nice! You'll also notice that if I make my selections here, when you add the product to the cart, they'll show up in your quick cart as well as your checkout screen, which will then flow through to your order page once your purchase is complete. In addition to what we've done here, we can also include the option to add a gift message. To do that, click on the new custom option block to open the settings. Under File Type, select Text, enter text for the field label, and then add some special instructions. As you can see, the possibilities are pretty much endless for the different ways you can use these blocks to create unique products for your customers. If you sell sports apparel, you could allow customers to add their own name and number to the back of a jersey. Or maybe you're a bakery and want to let customers choose from different combinations of freshly baked goods to build their own custom box. Now I'm hungry. And there you have it. Custom options, adding ways to let your customers tweak for the sake of making your products peak. Thanks for checking out our videos. I've dropped a link to Fluorescent's user guides for these features in the description below. And please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team if you could use a hand or some advice on how to use them to their full potential. They're happy to assist. Until next time.